In today's video, I'll show you how to install mods in Silent Hill 2. Check my video description for this mod list. Choose the mod you like to install. For this tutorial, I'm gonna install this play as Ori4 or Leon. This gonna switch character to Leon. Download the mod. Right click and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Right click on the game and select open file location. Open as Hedge Proto. Open content packs. You need to create this mods folder. If it doesn't have the mods folder, then check my video description for this text used in my video. Copy this mods text and right click on the blank area and select new and select folder. Name this folder using the text and open the mods folder and open mods, drag and drop the files inside. And we have successfully installed the mod. Just close tab here and launch the game. And as you can see, the mod is working. That's how you can install mods in Silent Hill 2. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.